Welcome back to Side Mirror. I'm Pamela Fernando. This is tips and tricks on Adobe Premiere Pro.
Today I'm going to show you how to cut a video on Adobe Premiere Pro. So select this arrow, then drag and drop the video to the timeline. Now you can play it and see.
Welcome back to Side Mirror.
And I want to cut the part from here. Then click this razor tool. Now bring it here and cut it. Add even the audio. So this is the video and this is the audio. Now click this part and delete it. Then click this one and delete it. Then bring the timeline here, then put it here, then put it here. And you can again put one here, and you can cut apart like this. Then delete them. Then bring them here. So that's how you cut a video on Adobe Premiere Pro.
If you want more tips and tricks on Adobe Premiere, subscribe to this channel. And if you want to get a notification, click the bell icon. Thanks for watching this video.